Chapter 1. Networking of Computers. Hi, Charlie. How are you? Do you know about computer networking? Hello, Cheetati. I am fine. No, I don't know. What is it about? In this chapter we will learn network, computer network, benefits of network, hardware used in networking, types of networks, categories of computer network, network topology protocol. Children, do you remember that in your childhood most of you have learnt the poem Ring a Ring a Roses? At that time when your teacher asked you and your classmates to recite that poem with action, you all stood up to form a circle by holding each other's hands. In that form all of you were connected with each other. That type of connection is said to be networking. Basically the term networking refers to the interconnection of various devices to share their resources. Network. A group of devices connected with each other is known as a network. When we make a network of various devices, the term is said to be networking. There are various types of networks such as telephone network, cable network, television network and computer network. In this chapter, we are going to study only about computer network. Note, wireless network means a computer network which is not connected by any kind of cables. Computer network. A computer network can be defined as a number of computers and peripheral devices connected through communication links. To make a computer network, we need two or more than two computers and other peripheral devices. These devices are connected with each other by using some media. The communication media allows the network components to work together. These network components can be located within the same building or at a remote location. A computer network can be of any size. You can create a small network by connecting two computers for sharing files. You can exchange information all over the world by using world's largest computer network. That is, the internet that connects millions of computers worldwide. When you connect your computer to a network with the help of a communication link or cable wire, you become a network user and your computer becomes a workstation. Your workstation has all its local resources like local printer and local hard drive. It can also access files stored on a file server and make use of other network resources. Benefits of network. There are several benefits of network. Some of them are as follows. Easy to access. A network allows users to access their information from other computers on the network. It also stores information on a central user computer which makes it easy to work and manage their files. Share resources. When we connect computers to a network, they can share files and devices such as printers and hard drives which are collectively known as resources. This ability of sharing resources reduces the cost of buying hardware of computer. For example, group of network users can share one central scanner instead of buying a scanner for each user. Share information and programs. We can exchange information with another person by using a network. Different users who are connected to a network can use a central computer to work with different word processing programs. It is simple to install a copy of program on central computer to be used by a number of network users. Administration. With the help of networking, it is easy to control a number of computers of a company. Increase in productivity. Networking allows people in different offices to work on a project together which reduces the need for hard copies of all documents. Security. A user can enter a username and password before accessing information on a network. Username and password help the network administrator to keep track of everyone using computer networking. If anyone enters an incorrect password, network does not allow him to access. It means an unauthorized user cannot access information on the network. Practical time. Access a file from a shared drive and copy it into the selected drive on your computer. Do you know? Bluetooth is a wireless technology used to connect mobile phones and computers using short-range wireless connection. Hardware used in networking. Computer. Computers are necessary to form a network. A network may contain different types of computers like Macintosh and PDP. Connector. A device that joins two computers is known as a connector. Cables. The wires that connect computers and their resources on a network are called cables. Depending on the size and type of network, different kinds of cables are used. Network interface card, NIC. It is a device that joins a cable to a computer. It is installed inside a computer. It has a part where we plug in the network cable. Fact time. Nowadays most of the computers come with pre-installed network interface card. Types of networks. There are different types of computer networks. Let us study some common types that are generally used. Local area network, LAN. It is the most common type of network that connects computers and devices located close to each other, such as in a building. Local area networks do not have more than 100 computers. Most common example of LAN are computers connected in an office. Personal area network, PAN. It is a computer network which is used for communication between different electronic devices such as personal computers, mobile phones, etc. A PAN is a wireless connection. It is also used to connect internet. Campus area network. It is a network that can be made to interconnect two or more local area networks within a limited area. It is larger than a local area network. Metropolitan area network. It is a collection of local area networks which connect computers that are located in the same area like a town or city. For example, local bank branches in a city. Wide area network. It interconnects local and metropolitan area networks. Wide area networks can be located throughout a country and even around the world. For example, ATM, Internet. Note: campus area network can be considered as one form of a metropolitan area network specific to an academic setting. Categories of computer network. There are two categories of computer networks. Temporary network. A temporary network is formed for a short period of time and then disconnected. Permanent network. Permanent network is used by companies to transfer information. Cables are used to interconnect computers as permanent network. Network topology. Topology refers to connecting different computers in a network. The way in which all the components of a network are linked together is called network topology. There are three main topologies. Let us study about them. Star topology. Star topology has centralized management which helps in monitoring the networks that are connected to a central system known as switch. Switch forwards data towards its final destination. It controls the network communication. Advantages of star topology. New devices can be added easily without affecting rest of the network. Similarly, components can be removed easily. Failure of one node or device does not affect rest of the network. Disadvantages of star topology. The system depends too much on central device. If it fails, the whole network goes down. Ring topology. In ring topology, all the nodes are connected in such a way so that each device is connected to two others, one on either side. In ring topology, computers are connected in the shape of a ring. Data automatically travels on the line only in one direction in a ring. There is no central site computer system. Advantages of ring topology. It is more reliable in comparison to star topology. Disadvantages of ring topology. It requires more complex control software. If one node fails, the whole network goes down. Bus topology. In bus topology, the components are connected to a central cable. A bus which is a single continuous cable. The data from any computer travels the length of the bus and can be received by all other computers. The bus has terminators at both ends that consume signal, removing it from the bus. Advantages of bus topology. It is very easy to set up a bus topology. Failure of one device does not affect rest of the network. It costs very less. Disadvantages of bus topology. There is a limit on central cable length and number of nodes that could be connected. Security is very low because all the computers receive signal from the source. Note: a node is a computer or any other device on a network that communicates with other devices. Do you know? Hubs are also used instead of switches to connect computers, but switches are preferred more because of better efficiency. Protocol. There are rules governing how data is transferred over networks, how they are compressed and presented on a screen, and so on. These set of rules are called protocols. Rules for communication between network devices is known as a network protocol. Internet protocol, IP. It is a protocol by which data is transferred from one computer to another on the Internet. On the Internet, each computer has one IP address which identifies the computer from other computers. When user sends and receives messages, the message divides in the form of packets that contains both senders and receivers' Internet address. Internet protocol delivers the message to both of them. Transmission control protocol. It is the other protocol that puts the packet back to the systems. Hypertext transfer protocol. It is a set of rules for transferring files, images, video, etc. on the World Wide Web. If we open the web browser, it means we are using HTTP. Note: Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol are together known as TCP/IP. Practical time on basic networking concepts. Make an informative presentation. Tricky terms. Recite, say aloud from memory. Peripheral, minor importance to something. Exchange, give or receive something. Administration, management of public or business affairs. Productivity, ability to produce. Security, protection from danger. Topology, connecting of computers in a network. Chapter Backup. A group of devices connected with one another is known as network. Computer network can be defined as a number of computers and peripheral devices connected through communication links. A device that joins two computers is known as a connector. Temporary network is formed for a short period of time. Permanent network is used by companies to transfer information. Topology refers to connecting different computers in a network.